Now, therapeutic alliance could be differ from school to school. For example, if we take cognitive behavioral therapy, the CBT, it's emphasize collaborative empiricism, where therapist and patient challenge painful beliefs and try to build a new meaning. While a humanistic therapy, such as person-centered therapy, that established by Carl Rogers, prioritize unconditional positive regard and empathy as a mechanism for alliance and development. Finally, there is ethical consideration, which demand transparency, informed consent, and boundaries that support trust.